In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second signature using Docusign. This process is straightforward and helps you manage multiple signatures effortlessly. So whether you're dealing with different document types or simply want to expand your signature options, Docusign makes this task simple and efficient. To start, please open your preferred web browser and head over to the Docusign website, which is renowned for its leadership in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once you're on the main page, the first step is to log into your Docusign account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and then enter your login details to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's a recovery option you can follow to reset it. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself at the Docusign home. Here, you'll have access to various features, but for our task today, we're focusing on adding that second signature. Next, move your cursor towards the top of the page and look for your profile button, which is often represented by a small icon or possibly your initials or photo if you've customized it before. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Manage Profile. This section allows you to personalize and update your account settings, including signature management. In the Manage Profile area, navigate to the Signatures option. Clicking here directs you to the page where all of your existing signatures are displayed. This feature is particularly useful because it provides a comprehensive view of the signatures you've previously saved or used. To proceed with adding a new signature, look out for a button labeled ADD Signature. Clicking this button initiates the process of creating a new signature for your Docusign account. When you click ADD Signature, a new window will appear. Here you have an option to create your signature in multiple ways. You can opt to draw it using a mouse, stylus or trackpad, upload an image of a signature, or even select from a variety of stylish fonts to create a typed signature. This flexibility means you can cater to different professional needs or personal preferences, ensuring your signature always meets context requirements. Once you're satisfied with how the new signature looks, make sure to save it by clicking the Save button. Your new signature will now appear in your list of signatures, ready to be used whenever you need it. And there you have it, a straightforward way of adding a second signature in Docusign. Having multiple signatures can simplify document management and offer you more versatility in your professional dealings. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.